This is a quick demonstration of OSCM2. Firstly, we will configure the host that we'll be using today, and that is Reaper. Go down in Preferences to Control Surfaces and add a new control surface. Selecting Open Sound Control and using the default pattern configuration, we will receive on port 8000 from this local IP, send on port 9000 and back again to the local IP of this machine. After this is set up, we can launch the program. We're immediately presented with the welcome screen where we can change our network settings, confirming that what we set up in Reaper is correct. We'll now go into New Layout, where we are immediately presented with the Edit mode. Here you can easily add new interface items, where you can drag them around the screen, change their colour, and select the parameters if applicable. You can change the channel that these items are associated with here. If you want to remove the item, simply press Delete Item. After you're satisfied with your layout, simply click on Run Mode. You will notice how the control surface updated with the latest data from Reaper, and we now have full control, including stereo VU metering on the channels and timecode updating. If you're satisfied with your layout, you can easily save it. Which, upon relaunching the program, you can easily load back in. We'll now load a sample layout included with the program. This is a fairly comprehensive setup with muting and arm controls and solo controls on each track, also including pan. We have 8 channels and the master along with transport control here. We can activate the click and also turn on the cycle function, the loop function. You'll notice as the program requires feedback from Reaper that if a channel is not present within Reaper's mixer, the mute, arm and solo buttons will not respond. This is because they are based upon return OSC strings sent back from Reaper to ensure that both programs show the latest information. If we go into Reaper, you'll see that the sliders within OSCM2 are controlled by the mixer along with pan controls, so if you're using automation, this can become a really helpful feature. If you want to edit this, we can simply go into edit mode and we can change colours and functions of different buttons, and then we can save the layout again and load it in for convenience. That concludes the quick demonstration of OSCM2.